Not okay choice.
Annabelle, those are very good ideas, I think.
No, it's not. You are not. Not okay, Uncle John.
It's not okay?
Walk away.
Should I walk away?
Did Sam say that?
Yeah. I'm gonna walk away, Sam.
Oh, Sam, we are teaching you some fabulous things to bring home.
Okay, Uncle John.
No.
Walk away.
Okay.
Okay.
Not okay?
Walk away.
Okay.
That is hysterical. Megan and Brad will not think it's hysterical.
Annabelle had a month's worth.
Yes, she did.
Walk away.
You're right, you're right.
Away.
And you know
Walk
that
away.
Okay.
No, walk away.
that's a big thing in the room he's about to go into, actually, because that's when they really start.
Uh-huh.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Hey, you guys can speak nicely
No.
to Daddy and Uncle John and say, please walk away.
Please walk away.
Okay.
They're gonna die.
Please walk away.
Okay.